Mm. Let's go, baby. Uh, GM. We're back in the 180s, guys, for GameStop. We're back in the 180s. What's up, Georgie? Welcome back. GT Moonwalking third. We got the first the Robert B pump. What's going on? What's going on? As the baby once said, let's go. Does he say that? Virtual Kevin, what's going on, Brandon? Steve, Mana, good morning. Let's go. Another day, another dollar. DT, what's going on? Tesla actually gapped up slightly here. We're talking about, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we have Powell once again. And if Tesla comes on down, bring it down. Triple G Investor, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome back, guys. George from Paramount. What's going on, Jap? Andrew Goldstein, when you're just here for the comments. Oh, come on, man. Oh, they're here. The trolls are here, guys. The trolls are here. Ryan Cole become chairman. Annual stockholder meeting announced, and this guy says moon or bust. Obviously, the title's a little, black or white. It's not like that. It's not like that. I heard about that, Keith. I don't know. I don't know why his YouTube guy was canceled. But YouTube has been very sus lately. Very sus. I don't know if you guys, if for those who watch him, he might have said something or done something that broke the or violated the terms and conditions, whatnot. I doubt it, but I think there's something deeper here. What's going on, Victor? Welcome back, buddy. See that's the thing. That's the thing. Tim, you're saying he legit gave out financial advice. It had to be something he showed or said for sure. But I think he has a disclaimer, right? Just like on top of this video, it says, "I'm not a financial advisor. I just like stonks." I'm pretty sure he had a financial advisor, not a financial advisor claim there. My assumption is he said something. He must have said something, and somebody reported it, and YouTube took it into consideration. I don't think it's hedgies or whatever the conspiracies are out there. What's going on, Tom? Selena, welcome back. Yeah, we're waiting for Cohen, man. GameStop intends to elect Ryan Cohen as chairman. Ooh, let's see. That's why we're up pre-market, by the way. If you haven't, I already saw the chart. Corporate refresh. We know this. We know this. Yep, 13% stake. Short squeeze. Yep. Oh, what's going on, cupcakes? Matt just texted one more to advise he hasn't been told what the allegation. Uh, he might later. He might know. YouTube's pretty quick for like customer support and whatnot. What's going on, Harry? Welcome back. What's going on, William? Welcome back. How was your workout yesterday? Because believe it or not, I didn't even get to the gym yesterday. So now today I have to go twice as hard. What's going on, Star Clouds? Oh my gosh, there's 2 minutes left until the market opens. 2 minutes left. Oh my gosh, SPY, why are we still pushing, man? We're still hitting you guys. Oh, snap. Is AMC following GameStop? Slightly. It's like it wants to. Tesla pushing up 677. Let's see. Market open tells a different story. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds. Let's go, baby. I am not stock Brady. Tom Brady has been missing, but apparently Tom Brady is behind the scenes working on freaking NFTs. Why is Tesla in GameStop's place and GameStop in AMC's place? The name of the game has changed. Things change. Things always come to an end. Nothing lasts forever. Neo is still cracking down. Is Neo not following Tesla this morning? Yes, it is. It had a slight gap up here at 37. Looks like it's finding some supports. Let's wait and see if we get low 30s. Low 30s. Let's shoot for the 32, maybe even $30 range. I know Neo has been a hot one on a lot of people's lists for a dip buy. So let's wait and see. Living in 3D, welcome back. Good day today. Yep, I kind of sense it, man. GameStop might have a pretty decent run today. Let's see 200. We've been flirting with 200 for quite some time now. Even seen 180s again. We're back in the same range. Let's see 200. How's Viacom? That's a good question. Another one of my hot plays that I'm looking for. Still at 43, finding some support right around the 43, $44 mark after pulling down from to 40. Let's see if we come down under 40. That's what we want. Under 40. All right, here we go. 27 seconds. Let's go. Morning, Tony. What's going on, buddy? Alrighty, here we go. Here's to another day. Today's Thursday. Man, the week just flew by. These days are just flying by. Drawing tools. Move this right here. Let's go. Tesla. Here we go. Market open, market open, market open. Tesla's gonna pull back. Are people taking profits? People selling? Let's go. Alrighty. To wait for Tesla to come down to 672, baby. Close this gap. Close the gaps. I appreciate that, Angry Guardian. I truly respect your decision. No hurt feelings. Why are you nervous, Selena? All right, there comes the pullback. Close this gap. What do you think about Sundial? I'm not touching Sundial anymore. I don't want in on Sundial. How did futures open? Where's my market going? Sideways. Disco? No, Disco's not even moving. We're not moving yet. Space our alert. Alerts for the win. Oh, Tesla, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're going the wrong way. You're supposed to come down for me. I think we're almost even broke even on Tesla. We got an 681. Top 20 trending stocks on Wall Street bets. What's the 10-year? Let me take a glance at the 10-year really quick. Uh, 6.4. 1.64 actually. The the Austin Martin truck. My alert just went off for ODT. I don't know what that is, but I think you guys brought this up. Oh, I know what it was. It was this dead cat play. This dead cat bounce we were anticipating, but as of now it's still pulling back 368 high off of 497. I don't know, the momentum's not there. We're not moving. Stock is not even moving. There we go, Tesla. You're going the right way now. You're pulling on back. GameStop, very head and shoulders like pattern forming here. All right, let's see. It's crazy that they're treating stock streamers like conspiracy streamers. They really want to control the narrative no matter what category. As much as I hate to agree. I agree on that. It's like again the narrative and any little thing that's wrong, it's seen as a conspiracy. It sucks. What's going on, Louis? Welcome back. Yeah, it is what it is. Space Kitty, good morning. Welcome back, Space Kitty. I still have yet to check the mail. I've been almost like getting a cold and it goes away. Coffee takes it away. Oh, William, don't tell me Apple is still rallying. Oh my gosh. Apple. Look at this W. Who's holding Apple? Damn. Viacom, there it goes. Viacom is dropping, pulling back as well. GameStop, pulling on back. Wait, why did my alert go off? Hmm. I think that might have been a late alert actually. Let's move this up really quick to like 43 bucks. But Viacom's bouncing. Discovery following? Slightly. I guess they're both gonna follow each other. Viacom and Discovery. Keep that in mind. Thoughts on Fubo? I think Fubo's also been on the 4 hour, has a pretty decent uptrend. Let's see. I remember the last time I took a glance at this. Last time I wanted to buy was here. Look at this trend line. I wanted to catch Fubo here on a dip at $28 back December, January. And that would have been a good play. Look, it recovered. It shot all the way back up to like 60 bucks. Now, the same thing is happening on the 4 hour downtrend, except it's happening over a longer period of time. Just wait, we'll let it out. I wouldn't hop in now. Honestly, there's all I see is descending triangles, double bottoms, just like we had here at 3250s. And then that 3250 became what? That previous support became resistance. Another double bottom here at 2633. And what happened at 2633? That support is now likely to become resistance. And now we're at a new support level here at 2059. What's likely to happen? I'm guessing it's going to pull on back under 2059 and possibly retest these support levels right around mid 15s. I'm interested on Fubo. This is one that I've been waiting as well. I never really got to pull the trigger. Let's set a couple of alerts here on Fubo. Thanks for bringing this one up. But as for the swing trade, I would take a swing trader position on this right now. Possibly not. Let's wait to see and have some signs of a confirmation for a reversal. What are those signs? Number one, break above the 4 hour resistance trend line. Number two, find some decent support levels. Just like I did here. The first sign of reversal would have been here, this first green day here. That's a sign. Just wait for it. Patience, patience. The market isn't going anywhere. What's going on, Adam? What's going on? Oh, and you're holding Apple? Wow. You're killing it right now with Apple. Apple's not stopping. How about Microsoft? Microsoft also moving. All right, Tesla showing a lot of weakness. Expect a pullback right now. A lot of weakness here on Tesla. These bounces are not convincing. What's going on, Carlos? Welcome back. Back from my exam. There we go. Yeah, I saw that he got banned. I don't know. My guess is he said something or he showed something that he wasn't supposed to that violated the terms of service. That's just my guess. You can't stop the Apple. Man, GameStop's pulling back. Just wait for it to catch some support. Nothing too crazy right now with Viacom Discovery. I think Viacom when we left off, it was bouncing slightly, so we're still waiting to hold this support level right around 44. It's just patience, just patience. No rush, no rush. Too many shares of ETF shares borrowed on shorting GameStop through what? Through XRT? I'm staying away from SOS too. All right, let's see. Is AMC following GameStop? Seems like other than pre-market levels, they're pretty much falling to there now again. Hmm. All right, Tesla. This is another test, another test, another test for Tesla. Are we gonna break above the lower highs, or are you just gonna sink on under? How's Nasdaq? How's the overall market? Make sure to watch the overall market. We are slightly pushing. We are in the green. SPY. We're 408. Is SPY at 408? 407 off the pre-market highs. Oh, invest long in Ralph. I appreciate that. There's no such thing as ticker symbol Ralph. There is such thing as ticker symbol WPF. Let's check Webull. See what Webull has in store for us. All right, Tesla did not pass the test. Resistance here at the lower highs very much apparent. Wait for it to pull on back. If this is not the case, if it is going to reverse here, we should see some support right around 675 before that reversal. 5 minute, how are we looking? Testing the 5. Resistance is still there at 5 on the EMA. Here we go. Another test. Is it going to break above with the market pushing, Nasdaq ripping? Let's see if we do see a push above 675 here. Most of my stuff is long-term EV plays, and after the relief I feel for not having to glue my eyes to my screen every day is very satisfying. Yeah, I agree. There's the pros and cons to day trading, to swing trading, to long-term investing, and why not both? That's the way I always think about it. Why not both? But you do, yeah, you do save yourself a lot of stress. What's going on, Smiley? Welcome back. I think we need a WPF pump. What's up, Amir? Right? Why not both? Why not both? I love the momentum and volatility. I gotta give you that. I love momentum. Exactly why I love Tesla, man. Every day, it's just you're gonna expect something. Yeah, I'm not leaving, baby. We're gonna be streaming still. We're not leaving. All right, looks to me like GameStop found some support at 178. What is 178? Was that a previous support level? Same trading range we had midday yesterday, 178. So let's see it. Let's see it. 189 pre-market, 178 holding right now here at market open. Let's hold. I'll take a 178 support level. 178 bounce. And the question remains, man. It looks like it's getting rejected at EMA. Is it gonna bounce here just like Tesla? Similar situation with Tesla and GameStop. Look at these patterns. Rejection at EMA here for Tesla. I don't think it's bouncing. Nasdaq pulling back. Facebook. Oh, oh. Look at these alerts I had here at 252. I never really caught the dip. I should have just pulled the trigger. Damn. Yeah, very similar patterns with AMC and GameStop right now. 982. GameStop rejection there too. What do I think of QQQ? QQQ, if you're going ETFs, if you're going long term, amazing, amazing if you're going long term. This is just like a long term ETF if you want to play that, if you want to go the safe route. By all means, I think this is an amazing investment. Or you could go with the other Qs. If you want to go bull, you want to go TQs, TQQQQ, or you want to play the SQ, which is literally the inverse of TQ. TQs and SQs. Powell, yes, today he's on again. Powell is on again, so get ready for a slow midday, I would say, until he's talking. Good morning, Matt. I don't think I saw your comments about my live stream today. No, I don't think so. What would you say is a good short-term investment for say $500? See, that's my question to you is it do you have an account that you're able to day trade with, or is it just solely putting 500 say in a Webull account? I say with that amount of capital, I'd go long term with that. It'll be very difficult to trade with $500. I'm just being honest. I mean, but $500 a month on an ETF, do the math. I don't know your age, how much you're able to contribute monthly, yearly, and percent you'll get per year. Obviously going to vary every single year. We have crazy markets, bulls, bears, I don't know, and just do the math. There's an online calculator for that. But I would go that way, that way. All right, Tesla pulling on back just like we anticipated. Very weak. Very simple, very clear descending triangles. Man, these patterns, Tesla's pulling on back. Alrighty, here we go. I'm pretty sure Nasdaq just took a poo-poo. Yep, Nasdaq. All right, Tesla, Apple pulling back as well. No, Facebook, man, Facebook's very appealing right here. I mean, I know we're on the 30 minute. Look at this crazy uptrend here from 277, but on the 1 minute, it's like, we're sold. GameStop 178. Are you holding or not? Are you holding? Nope, still pulling back. All right, Tesla has now closed the gap today here at 672. This is the gap. This is the gap closer. Next gap we're closing here today. It might be 660s. 660s. I appreciate that, Ivan. My idea was to come into your live stream today and ask some clarifying questions. My goal is not to make you look back. Go for it, man. Bring it up. Throw the questions. Discus pulling back. 42. So we were talking about after this pretty nice appealing bullish push from the low 40s to 43. Is this a FOMO play? Should we chase it? Is this the reversal? Is this the first sign? No. Wait for confirmation of what support. Like I said, I'm going back to Netflix. I got burned on Netflix for playing it too quick, too fast, and it just completely pulled on back as well. So just be very patient. Wait for these stocks to find some support. On the 4 hour, if it comes down to 41 and it bounces again off of there, maybe I'll initiate the position. Maybe. But there's a high chance that this can come down under 40 again. The bounce is not there yet. Viacom most likely following as well. Yep, Viacom just hit a new low on the day. Seems to me like this was a bull trap. Let's wait. I have like 20 alerts on this stock. I'm not missing this one. This one's one that might actually bounce. The question remains the time frame. You don't know the time frame. That's the question. GameStop, there we go. It bounced off of 176. Now it looks like it's fighting here at 178. Trying to hold some support. Tesla, if we do see a bounce on Tesla, one thing we've seen repetitively with other stocks, it's going to bounce and test that previous support that it had. In this case, Tesla might shoot up to 673 right now. Let's wait and see. Actually, 673.90s, I should say. There we go. There we go. All right, GameStop above EMA. Cup and handle for me. Cup and handle for me. There comes the Tesla bounce. Again, don't be fooled. It can easily get rejected here at the outer red line. Is our red line the 5-minute EMA? No, EMA. Ooh, EMA 5-minute is at 675. All right, there we go. It's tested our trend line just like as we expected. Let's remove this really quick. My guess is now it comes down under back to 672 based on the overall. Although Nasdaq is bouncing as well. So if Nasdaq gets rejected here at EMA as well, Tesla is also going to pull on back. NEO following along too. No, except NEO's going the opposite way. NEO's going up, man. I want some NEO, but I'm not willing to pay 38 bucks. I don't want 38 bucks. All right, there we go. Tesla pulling on back. No? Or are we testing lower highs? Look at this, guys. Keep this on watch. Watch these lower highs. What time is Powell on again? Let me see. Okay, Tesla. Oh, it looks like we just tested the 5 on Tesla, guys. 5-minute EMA. I did not expect this bounce to be this aggressive. This aggressive of a bounce. I did activate Windows. I don't know why that thing is still here. Let me see. Where's that question at? After your video came out on the reasons to sell AMC, the 801 rule was passed. It's a different 801 rule, Matt. There's a big misconception. I think it was the, what was it, the OCC 801? OCC 801, not DTCC 801. Freaking Tesla, what are you doing? Look at this bounce here on Tesla. This is nuts. Nasdaq ripping. Yeah, Nasdaq just had a pretty disgusting rip. Neo probably followed along as well. Yep, Neo's also pushing up. Man, Facebook is still oversold on the 1 minute. Man, if I would have dip bought Tesla here at 671, I would have been long gone already. This is a pretty surprising rip here. 12 p.m. Eastern. No, I'm not. I'm not in SOS, guys. And it's hitting new lows today, 513. Not good, not good. Not the best looking 5 minute. Not gonna lie. Yeah, and it's I keep getting them confused. NSCC 801 is the big boy on the block to hurt overextended hedge funds. 801 is literally the one where, hey, we're gonna liquidate you and we're not liable. That's it. Are you still on Tesla? Yeah, I only have 6 shares of Tesla though. Why? I'm waiting for 660. Why 660 is the gap fill. Oh, AMC and GameStop are today they're moving together. As AMC is bouncing, GameStop is bouncing as well. That's cup and handle, baby. GameStop just shoot up to 182. Shoot up. Yeah, I saw that the Austin Martin car. It's just like as much as I love conspiracies and stuff, I think it's just over. It doesn't make sense, you know. I don't think it's no sign. Austin Martin car, AMC. I don't think it's. I think it's just like your brain, you know, looking for biases. That's just the way I think. And he said truck, right? I don't think he even said car. U.S. Treasuries. Where'd that go? Where'd that go? Yeah, to 10-year guys is pulling on back. The 10-year is pulling back. Keep that on watch. Volkswagen expects chip supplies to remain tight in the upcoming months. Volkswagen says further production adjustments cannot be ruled out. I believe they were saying through 2022. I forgot what analyst said that for the chip shortage. Chinese EV maker Xpeng or XPEV to build a factory in Wuhan with city government backing. Neo still popping. If GameStop hits 200 end the day, Arby's for dinner. Man, Tesla's just rocketing. This was a dip by here. It is not coming down for me, guys. It's testing my patience. You don't get updates when I'm live. Yeah, YouTube has been pretty weird lately, and with this Matt Kors getting his channel banned, I don't know. I want to hear from himself, from the man himself, Matt, what happened. Only he knows. Yeah, Tesla is rocketing right now. We're bouncing. Think futures are ripping. Yep, futures just hit a new high. Tesla's gonna follow along. Let's say AMC explodes next week. Would you come out with a video or say something on your live stream acknowledging that you were wrong? First and foremost, I would probably be already in AMC again if it exploded. Like I'm watching that stock too. It's not like I'm done. It's not like I'm done watching it. I'll never trade AMC again. I literally said in the video, I'll hop in AMC if the price is right, if the momentum is there, if I see the catalyst upcoming, if the technicals make sense, I'll most likely be there. I'll be there as well. Would I say I was wrong? Absolutely. I'll be like, hey, I was wrong. It shot up here. I got in here. I'm in now. I'm in at this price. Here's why. That's it. Straight, simple. I don't see what the problem with that is. Yeah, I saw the interview. I don't. I don't think people watch the video to understand that too. And with the trolls and everything is just what can you expect? The title says a lot, and it hurt people. Opinions on Square, the famous SQ, the famous Square. Oh, Square. Square was one I was trying to get in under 200. These stocks literally flirt with my alerts and they never come down. Look at this. Look how close it was to coming under 200. It never came down under. But I believe Square is going ham on Bitcoin. I think they bought like 50 million of Bitcoin back in November, and I think recently they just bought more. But I think if I'm not mistaken, Square is trading literally based off the momentum on Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin at right now? 57. Obviously, to go long term, I need to do some more DD on Square. But you guys know, I don't like buying when we're moving up. I don't like buying things when they're bouncing up. I like getting in when it's bleeding. I like buying the blood when it's coming down. And 200 was a triple bottom. I was willing to wait for it to crack and buy. Sometimes waiting slightly just to save a couple bucks. You miss the bounce. That's okay. There's more plays out there. But uh, uh, Square, I'd rather go with an IPO. Coinbase. I'd rather just play the Coinbase IPO. Ralph is a vampire. Like, like one thing I've just learned, and again, I'm not saying I'm the wise, I'm Warren Buffett. It's just like I like buying when there's panic. I like buying when people are scared. It's like what is the quote that Warren Buffett says? Like be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. I think he's just so spot on with that. At the end of the day, it's gonna be all psychological, and I like going off of that, and that confirms my trading strategy. Buying the dips, buying when people are scared, buying when things are selling off, and selling when people are going crazy, people are getting greedy. On the 15 minutes, it looks like Tesla's about to break above and possibly test 682. Tesla came down, closed the gap, and now we're bouncing. It does not want to close that 660 gap. I'm not Warren Buffett, but I'm the WPFCO for sure. Yeah, time for a WPF pump. What do we got, Weeble? Weeble broke the streak, guys, 2 days ago. I was a little sad. We got a share of LSCC, by the way. LSCC, baby. All right, here we go. You guys know what I smell? I smell a Tesla share. Tesla. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Tesla. Oh, mm. Question 3. This stems off of the last question. You said you might get back into AMC. What were the initial key reasons you got into AMC? Did you not watch the video, buddy? Come on. I just noticed on the camera, is there like lights? Is it like sunlight coming in? Man, that WPF pump literally made Tesla pump to 680s. If you go on the 30 minute, that 680 was that level we just fell off a cliff. 680s. Damn it, Tesla. V recovery. Nasdaq is probably ripping. They don't care about Powell. No, Nasdaq is pulling back. Nasdaq is pulling on back. I got a halo going around me. What's going on, Jen? Welcome back. Nice to see you here. Let's go, baby. I have a theory. Ralph is officially the CEO of WPF and had to move off of AMC for conflict of interest. You never know. Have I ever cashed out Weeble? I don't know what that means. Cashed out Weeble. I don't know what you mean by that. 11 p.m. Eastern, Mr. Daddy Powell comes on. Ivan, you got 700 calls on Tesla? Is it just me or did GameStop just like slow down tremendously? I feel like we've been here. Come on, baby, bounce. Tesla. I watched the video 3 times. I watched your live stream recording when you were talking about it. After I'm done with these questions, I'm gonna link this video for my fellow apes so they can have a video that answers unanswered questions. Not trying to make you look bad, just clarifying. I appreciate that. Yeah, probably didn't explain myself properly. And if you have any other questions, I'll be here. I'll be here. Oh, if I had any withdrawn without any issues, like I said yesterday, I think the last time I used Webull was like a year ago. And it was just for some YOLO contracts, some YOLO options. After I told myself I was done trading options, I think I was trading like Costco. I was buying calls on Costco. I think that was the last time. But I don't think I ever had a problem. No, I didn't have a problem withdrawing money. GameStop pulling back. AMC, are you following? Are you guys tie linked again? Seems like it. AMC is actually holding slightly stronger than GameStop. GameStop with a double bottom at 177. AMC 970. I'd love for AMC to at least hold 10 support. Just hold 10. I appreciate that, Christopher. There's a whole stock market out there, man. There's a lot of tickers out there. Yeah, they're following each other now. Tessa, what are you doing? Don't leave the boat without me. Notice how at the market open, Tesla and Nasdaq were super linked. Now that Nasdaq is pulling back, Tesla's not following. That's the things you guys have to notice, especially if you're going to be day trading. Notice the days where they don't follow each other. Notice how right now we're not following Nasdaq, we're not pulling on back anymore, like we had a market open. It's like as Nasdaq pulled back off the highs, Tesla stayed at the highs of the day, 680s. How about other tech stonks? Facebook had the small bounce after being oversold in the 1 minute, but it's back down under EMA. Apple coming off the highs of 130. Microsoft, Netflix, another choppy one. Netflix. What are your thoughts on MVIS? Oh, Viacom is actually pulling on back. Give me 1 second. Pulling on back again. 42.95 on the low. Be very, very patient. I know some of you guys hopped in yesterday, right? Disca and Viacom are very much linked, guys. Discovery and Viacom are following each other as well. GameStop pulling on back. No 177. AMC 977. Back to MVIS. Microvision. This one is the one that had the contract, right, with the army. Was it this one? But we were talking about, I gotta give it credit, the beautiful, beautiful 4 hour uptrend. It seems to me now after the spike here on 1924, it's stuck in this range, this ascending triangle, which is very bullish. Technical pattern. I think you said technicals, right? So it's gonna test the support here, or in this case, the uptrend support line. Will it hold? I don't know. Will I buy here? It's too risky for me in my opinion. I don't I rather buy this as it's coming on down aggressively. Like there's a negative catalyst. Like I said, I love buying the blood. I love buying when it's pulling on back, and that's just me. Technicals. I really don't know much about microvision. I get microvision and ZOM confused. ZOM and microvision. You threw a grand and I come at 47 something. Was it that kind of was it? I'm pretty sure. I'm assuming it might have been FOMO. Correct me if I'm wrong. Because at 47, did it hit 47? Where did we hit 47? When did you buy? When did you buy? You bought like 2 weeks ago, right? 2 weeks ago at after it first initially started collapsing back under 65. That's what I'm assuming. Yeah, Matt. The other Matt Kors. My assumption, he said something that violated the terms and conditions. He'll probably get his channel back 100%. He just has to appeal it. Elon Musk tweets, "Thanks Tesla supporter, thanks Tesla suppliers for providing us with the critical parts." 4 hours ago. Thanks. The first reply is, "Thanks Elon Musk for providing us with critical memes." Credit Suisse, Goldman, Morgan Stanley get letter from Senator. Hmm. Oh, Nasdaq is now bleeding. You guys think we go from green to red on Nasdaq? You guys think the overall market just pulls back out of nowhere in anticipation of Powell? Is Powell gonna bring down the market? Because Nasdaq is bleeding right now. Still green on the day though. SPY falling off a cliff as well. 406. Tesla, are you following? GameStop 177. All right, here it comes. Are you day trading Tesla today? I only have 6 shares. I'm really just trying to get the feel for the stock again. It's like I'm learning to walk again in a way. Like Tesla, I haven't really day traded it in months, like a month or two. If you go back to my old videos, that's all I was talking about. Tesla and the overall market and any other plays. Buy at dips after Powell. Yeah, I'm waiting, Caesar. I'm waiting. And another reason I'm not really heavy right now on Tesla is because I'm waiting for that gap fill at 660. 660 is really where I'm waiting for. And on the 4-hour, man, it just doesn't even look right to buy Tesla here at 670. If it comes down under 660 and the gap fills here, it can easily fall back under the lower high resistance trend line here. I know I have a lot of lines everywhere, but this is the trend line I'm talking about. I don't know, I'm not convinced. Would you want to go on a stream with Andrew Mo Money Trey, Matt Kors to discuss or have a healthy debate on the meme stocks? Absolutely, I would. But I don't think it's in their best interest to have me on. Man, what are you doing, Tessa? Tessa said, screw you, Ralph. I'm not coming down for you. Look at this. It's still ripping. I mean, right now I'm broke even, basically. I'm back to break even. I don't even care. I want to catch this at 660. Uh, I consider my 700 calls a loss. Champagne, if it rips, so it's ripping. Forget the champagne, man. You gotta get that Tesla tequila. That Tesla tequila. Yeah, Tesla's a beast. Tesla, this is exactly why I love Tesla. It's a monster. It's a tank. And of course, you gotta be careful because on the days where it pulls back, it won't love you back. Tesla will not love you on the days it pulls back, and it'll tank. It'll sink. There's days where it just bleeds without signs of life. And those are the days I wanna buy aggressively. It's coming, baby. Just be very patient. Roaring Kitty tweeted, let's pull this bad boy up. Roaring Kitty, please don't give us a copyright strike. He tweeted the Fox 20th century. Dun 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 dun. Dun, dun, Wait, Arsenal, Harry, are you here? Harry, I know you're an Arsenal fan. This is hilarious. I seen this once on Twitter. I was like, what is this from? I think he's saying that it flopped. It really is that that's what I'm kind of getting, that GameStop flopped at market open. I think that's what it is. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one. I need to save that. 20th Century Fox Flute original. That meme is from 2004, really? Matt said he's unaware of the violation. I don't know. He has to contact Twitter. I mean, Twitter, YouTube. They gotta get the guy who helped me out. What's his name? Turt. Turt, baby. They gotta get Turt with them. That's not right though. Oh yeah, he did tweet. Let's see. He tweeted. Unfortunately, the rumors are true. YouTube has terminated my account. This is obviously extremely disheartening, and the feeling is amplified because I'm unaware of my violation. I'm right there with you, man. If you have seen any of my content, you know it's all above board. I will be working to get answers. I think somebody might have reported his videos, honestly. I think that could have raised the flag to YouTube. Just my speculation. And Tesla says goodbye, man. Goodbye 660s. It's 684. It's pushing up. It's not pulling back. I mean, with the 10-year dropping, what can you expect? And Nasdaq is not. It's not following. Uh, GameStop pulling back and AMC is not following. Are they following each other? Not necessarily. There's like moments where they do sync and follow each other, or on the vice versa rally, but we're not seeing that close connection anymore. It happened on Thursday. Was it last Thursday when we had the offering? No, the offering was Monday. I forgot what was last Thursday that really caused the stocks to not follow each other. What are your thoughts on your subscriber loss after the video release? I saw it coming, man, but like I said, being honest, transparent, to me, any day I'll value that over anything. Freaking LA Times, the LA Times reached out and they wanted an interview for AMC with me, and I said no. So it's like the numbers, the money, it doesn't even matter to me. Yes, it was after the CEO CNBC interview. That's when everything really changed. Nathan says Tesla to 700. It's just looking like it's 686. We're not in the green. Oh my gosh, that's if there's one stock I could talk about every single day for the rest of my life, it's Tesla, man. 686. Tesla's a beast. Someone have the volume on GameStop, guys. It's a little sad. We're not seeing the aggressive momentum we've been seeing before. Tesla, you're still pushing, baby. 686. It is not following the overall market, the overall index. Watch. Oh, actually, now it is actually. It's using that strength. So one thing I've noticed before is when there's a pullback on the overall market, and say in this case situation where Tesla is still pushing up, these bounces on the overall market, it'll just add fuel and fire to Tesla or whatever tech stock you're watching. That's one thing I've noticed. You have compare these bounces, guys. Compare the pullbacks, compare everything. I'm pretty sure the market is going to be really choppy today, especially with Powell. And Nasdaq is already showing that. It doesn't know where it wants to go. We're seeing a bounce here on Nasdaq. TQs is probably a good scalping day trade. If you want to get into day trading, I would obviously first and foremost highly recommend you watch Tesla and TQs and SQs. So TQs are going to follow Nasdaq. SQs is literally just the inverse of that. TQs and SQs. Remember that. Is Tesla gonna push or pull back? Should we catch a dip? Should we catch a dip? Look at the 5 minutes, way overbought. 680s is what that 5-minute EMA is showing. It's at 685. GameStop volume is 3.2 mil. Ford is the real king. What's Ford at? Like 14 bucks? 12.48. But look at this. There's no momentum on there. My phone's gonna die. Let me get my charger. I got the battery pack waiting. Oh, I think Tesla's about to just blow past 687. It's flirting. It's flirting. It's flirting. Let me charge this really quick. There we go. Matt Perry, thank you for the dono. Thank you for answering my questions. 1 AMC share. Again, don't donate. Do not donate. You guys don't have to donate. Never ever. What's going on, Jen? You're scaring me. Day trading crypto. I don't know how comfortable I feel about day trading crypto. Obviously, because I don't really trade crypto other than holding like other than turning 20 bucks to like 70 bucks with Bitcoin in the last like 2 years. That's pretty much it. And I don't know how comfortable I feel with crypto. You have to get the feel for it. I say become the candle, understand the momentum, understand the candle, understand the strength, understand the overall market, the 10-year, everything. Just everything moves like a machine. That's the way I see it. And then for crypto, I don't understand that. I need to feel comfortable with it in order for me to be able to day trade it, understand the momentum and whatnot, the swings, intraday highs, intraday lows, all of that stuff. Yeah, Robinhood. One thing I've learned is that the executions are disgusting. They're horrible. And that's how they make their money. Day trading crypto is where it's at. Oh wow, I want in. I'm getting a lot more into it. Yeah, I'm still waiting. I'm like on this I'm pretty sure it's a massive wait list for Voyager because I haven't received anything, haven't heard anything from them. So I guess there's a lot of demand right now, a lot of interest. I think you'll get into crypto technicals, you'll leave the stock market behind and fall in love. Really? You guys are getting me intrigued. Hmm. No, I'll never leave the market. Absolutely no. Screw Voyager, sign up for Qcoin, KuCoin. I don't know what that is. If you guys have any referral links or you get like a free coin or something, I don't know, a free bonus, throw them in the Discord. I'll sign up. I just threw the Discord link in the chat. You'll see it in the next couple seconds. But I know I use somebody. I think I use Kevin, right? Virtual Kevin. I think I'll use your Voyager link. So you should be getting a bonus or whatever their referral program is. Just like Webull, we get free WPF shares. I'm pretty sure all these wallets have the same thing. Yeah, Kevin, yeah. I appreciate that. I will never leave Tesla, yeah. Tesla's my one of my favorite stonks. But of course, like I mentioned before, I love Tesla, but Tesla doesn't love me back. Tesla does not love me back. And there's nothing wrong with yeah, there's nothing wrong with being against day trading. Like I even love going long on the index. You save yourself a ton of time, a ton of stress. You don't have to sit in front of a monitor. It's just like it takes a specific type of person, a personality, I guess you can say strengths, because there's gonna be days where you literally your stomach's gonna flip upside down, that your emotions are gonna be running crazy, and that's just the truth. And for some people that they might not like that, and that's completely fine, completely fine. There goes Tesla. Next leg up, holding strength above EMA. We've been up above EMA for like what 15, 16 minutes. Oh, and we're still pushing 688. We're up 2.5% today on Tesla. Seems like we're wondering ourselves back here at this range here at 690. Did I expect this? No, absolutely not. But with the 10-year pulling on back, we close the gap fill here at 670 at market open. We're not seeing 660s, guys. It's not coming down for me. It's not coming down. I mean, actually, at this price here, it's still rallying. I think we should just sell. I mean, we only have 6 shares, and we just sold our Tesla. Of course, Nasdaq is still very mixed. Like I said, I think we're going to be very choppy until Powell comes on. But for now, we still wait. GameStop under EMA is AMC following along. AMC is following GameStop, but I noticed AMC is a little slower to catch up to GameStop. Yeah, every time I sell any stock, it's gonna rip. This happens every single time. So let's see if Tesla continues on to rip here at 688. I'm doing I'm doing you guys a favor holding Tesla right now. I sold AMC, yes. Oh no, trading crypto at 10x leverage, boom or bust. I don't want to put myself in that position. Tesla's gonna hit 750 now that I sold. Oh man, I'll be triggered. I will be livid. I would be livid. Why not sell if you've hit your profit target? It's not even the profit target, it's just more of the technicals, I guess you can say. It's just looking at the chart, man. It's like, all right, we were just kind of messing around with a couple shares. It's oh my god, it's still rallying. It's still trying to push. I'm just like sell it, buy back on the dip. At these prices, I do not feel comfortable going aggressive. And like I said, that's why I'm just messing around with Tesla right now. I'm just messing around with Tesla. My calls are up 200%. I like that number, 200%. Buy Ford and sell Ralph. Wait, what? It's just like, look at the difference, man. Look at the difference in the stock. Look at the momentum you're comparing. Ford is barcoding. Ford is barcoding. It's not moving. There's no play to be made here on the day trade unless you're going long term on Ford. It's just like it's a no for me, you know? GameStop. Tesla's a good day trade today. It's a good day trade in my opinion every day if you're able to time it. There's always an amazing day trade opportunity in Tesla and just in any other stock every single day. That's called opportunity every day. You just have to be able to spot it on. Be content with any profits you take. One thing I'm gonna tell you guys is you can never go broke taking profits. You never lose taking profits, and you save yourself from disaster, and you live to see another day in the market. You live to see another day in the market. Saw someone YOLO 500,000 on Ford last week on Reddit. See, if you're going in knowing it's a YOLO and there's a big chance of you losing, then you knew the consequences, right? You knew your risk. Way oversold on the 5 minute. I'm expecting a dip any second now. Any second, Tesla's gonna come to like 685. I'm Kramer's son. I'm channeling my inner Kramer. I don't understand what's wrong with taking profits. Like, why are you trading stocks if your goal is not to make money? Why? Why is taking profits wrong? Since when do you hop in the market to lose money? GameStop might hit a new low today. It's 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 not selling off aggressively, number one, but we're not seeing that bounce yet. That's the thing. Take profits all day. And one thing about me is if that you'll learn to realize as you see the day trades happen and swing trades is I sell and I take profits really quick, man. I've left so much money on the table by selling early. It's not even funny. And it's not even that. Don't even care about what you leave on the table, man. It's being able to spot the trades and take profits and lock them in. Why? Because profits add up. Every single day, man, you're accumulating more capital. Think of your money as like little soldiers, and they go to battle every single day. They go to war. If your soldiers are getting destroyed and getting slaughtered and you're losing, sooner or later your army's going to be wiped out. But every day, 30 more soldiers get added to your army, and you build up this huge army. You're going to be a tank. You're going to be undefeatable. It's every single day, man. Just accumulate, accumulate. Your profits add up. And take that as motivation for those who are under pattern day trading rule, who aren't able to day trade. You'll get there. These profits add up. And even if you wish you had, oh, I wish I had 100K to start with. First of all, you're gonna lose all of that like this. I promise you. If you don't have a strategy, if you don't have a strategy, you're gonna lose. If you're not disciplined with $1,000 in your trading account, you'll never be disciplined with 100K, 10K, 20K, a million. You'll never be disciplined. You have to be disciplined with a small amount first before you can scale. That's called scaling your portfolio. Come on, Tess. I'm waiting for you to just drop to 685. Come on. All right, this might be the drop. You might just see an ugly red candle, a big red candle just coming out of nowhere on Tesla right now. I remember these days where Tesla's just topping near the top, just not even pulling back, no signs of a pullback, and out of nowhere, bloop, you just see a big red candle. That's usually the candle I like to buy. Come down, baby. Come down, baby. Oh my God, this is on the 5 minute. It's coming. It's coming. Tesla puts. I'm not doing options. It's a patience game. It's a patience game. It's literally like, who here? I'm curious. Who here has hotkeys? Alex, stop watching the ads. Hotkeys. I can't even. Oh, you guys can see my keyboard now. There we go. Hotkeys. So it's like I have my pinky on shift and S and B. So I literally hit shift B and it buys. Shift S and it sells. I don't have to move my mouse and click buttons. Watch. I'll do this really quick just to show you guys. Shift B. All right, wait, let me see. I have to click I have to be on Thinkorswim. There we go. It's bouncing. I don't even want to buy on the dip. Like Shift B. I'm in. Shift S. It'll sell, but usually the bid and the ask moves really, really quick. So I have to adjust it. As you can see, I could shift I could buy again, watch. Shift B, I'm in again, Shift S, I'm selling to a limit. I got filled. I got filled again. There you go, you saw that? And sometimes when I don't get filled and I want to exit really quick, I literally just drag the little red line you saw there. And man, Tesla is not coming down. It's still pushing. Mm. Tesla said not today, baby. I appreciate that, Marvin. I truly do appreciate that. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the bigger picture. Look at the trend, man. The volume as well. Skills is dropping still. I think this was one we were interested in buying. Dip buying. It's gonna double bottom here at 16. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for this one. Wait for this one to pull back. GameStop still pulling back. Is AMC following? AMC hit 960s, 968. It's bouncing off the EMA. Again, look at the trend. There's still some resistance here. Same thing with GameStop. Resistance at EMA all day. Hmm. Let's see. I'm scrolling to Twitter. See if we have any breaking news, any potential catalysts. Wow, Matt Kors tweeted. My suspension appeal has been denied by YouTube with no reasoning. I strongly believe I didn't violate any rules. Prior to this, I haven't even received a strike. Yeah, he should receive 3 strikes and then you're out. Three strikes on your channel and your channel's done. This is not right. There has to be a way to fix this. This is one of the reasons why I wanted to go on Twitch first before I started here on YouTube. Because YouTube's a little scary. And we've already taken a little blow from YouTube. They've been censoring channels left and right, and they won't admit. But this is so odd. It's not right. Here comes Tesla. That's scary. I'm wondering what he said. He must have said there has to be a reason why. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of conspiracies about what's going on, but it doesn't really make sense to me. There has to be a reason. Like they just can't do that. It's time for Tesla to drop. Nathan, I agree. I'm just waiting for this big red candle, like a pretty decent aggressive red candle on Tesla. GameStop, there we go. First sign of life above EMA. AMC should be following along as well. I'm just waiting for that aggressiveness. It's just gonna sell off right now. Well, it goes up, must pull back down. Mm. The key here for GameStop's not gonna be to hold above EMA on the 5 minute. Slowly been creeping under EMA. Wait for the first sign of confirmation of reversal, which is of course support in these higher lows. It's way Tesla pulling on back 686. Let me just see that ugly candle, man. Give me that ugly candle. Come down to 681. This is where we need you to be at right now. 681. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna bounce here. I mean, keep dreaming. You think Tesla's not gonna come on down? Is this the paper hands dude I saw on Reddit? Absolutely, baby. That is me, Rob Castaneda. You're watching him live right now. You're watching him live. Tesla, come down for me, baby. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me. I took my profits on Tesla. Man, Tesla's not coming down. It's fighting. I could feel it. I could feel a big candle just coming on down. Come on, don't bounce, don't bounce, don't bounce. How's Nasdaq? Nasdaq's too choppy. No, no, no. It doesn't want to come down. Why is it so strong? You saw that little glitch on Thinkorswim? Sometimes it lags. On the 5 minute, Tesla, you're overbought, baby. You're due for a bounce. I mean, for a dip. See how much of a patience game it is, guys? how much of a waiting game. And that's why I understand when people say day trading is a waste of time. You literally have to you have to be a sniper and wait for the perfect execution. And it's a huge patience game. Literally, you're just staring at candles and crayons. It's still early in the day, that as well. Incoming cup and handle on Tesla. I don't really see the cup and handle actually. Oh, inverse, yeah, inverse cup and handle. That's why I said I want a price target here at 681. Cup and handle completion literally would be right around 677. Maybe estimate 678. Over trading's a killer too. Yeah, so it's a little worrisome. GameStop is still on despite the Ryan Cohen announcement. Yeah, it's a little odd. A little disappointing as well too. You would expect this to be a pretty decent catalyst. I mean, it was a pre-market as well. You think it's bad that I told you guys I sold AMC? You think I should have sold behind your back and continued to be bullish on the stock? I do no longer think it was worthy of a hold. Mm, mm. I usually like moving my alert out to the 5 minute EMA. Because on the 1 minute you can't obviously see the 5 minutes, so you just use it as a guidance, as an indicator. Not yet, Smiley, not yet. I'm still waiting for my crypto, by the way. I'm on a huge wait list for Voyager. Tesla, Tesla doesn't want to sink. That's what we're waiting for right now, but honestly, we're just waiting for it to come down. Not, I don't blame, the sentiment to flip really quick. When you have money tied, when there's emotions involved, I saw this coming. Use my wife's boyfriend's email. It's at 684. Patience. It's gonna sink, Jose. Yeah, it's a patience game, man. And usually it'd be funny because sometimes I'd have to go to the restroom, right? And I'd be like, it's gonna fall. I need to go to the restroom though. I go, I take my phone, right? And I have my alerts, and I see my phone. It's like the alert goes off. I'm like, oh, I just missed an opportunity. Come on, come on. I can buy on my phone, yeah, but I don't feel comfortable buying on my phone. I tried to do that once with Apple. I think I tried to buy like 800 shares once for the dip. I think I was at the gym, and you have to put in your pass. It asks for your password, and that like 5 7 second delay. I mean, it's a make or break. I think. A Pomp just tweeted the U.S. stock market is one of the most manipulated markets in the world. Of course, he's gonna say that. He's a little biased towards crypto, but it is what it is. I kind of agree. He wants you to buy Bitcoin. Guys, I don't think Tesla's gonna fall anymore. It's showing some pretty strong signs of support. It's not coming down. This is really impressive. The amount of people pushing Bitcoin is too damn high. Even the fake Ralph, the fake YouTube scammers that ask for crypto, those are the funniest ones. The WhatsApp scammers. All right, make up your mind, Tesla. It's either in the next couple minutes, I feel like it's just gonna bounce to 687 or it's gonna sink. No in between. You're not gonna hold here. You're not barcoding on us. You're going one way or the other. What are your thoughts on low flow stocks like AAME? If it doesn't have any volume, I don't like it. No point of having a low flow if you have no volume. Hmm. Tesla's boring me. It's not doing anything. As of now, I think it's gonna bounce, guys. It's not coming down. It's already tested the 5 EMA. It might just shoot up here. Let's see, let's see. One way or the other, baby. One way or the other. Make up your mind. Nasdaq doesn't even know where it wants to go either. It's just sideways. SPY back to 407. GameStop 175. AMC 968. It's a slow day because Powell. Yeah, it seems like we're just waiting. Daddy Powell. Powell's 11 a.m. Eastern. Feel like we should just start pulling up CNBC. Is he? Where is he gonna be? Where can I find him? Probably YouTube. YouTube's always the answer. Do I have any position in Tesla? I sold my 6 shares earlier. Obviously, I'm playing with the small position amount. That's just because I don't feel comfortable holding or swinging at these prices. I'd rather much get in at 660s than 684 now, but we're just trying to see if we can play a bounce here, but it's not doing anything. It's holding at 685, which just happens to still be the 5-minute EMA. It's either going to bounce here aggressively back to 688 up to these levels, or it's going to come on down, but I don't think it's coming on down. I think it's going to just break above right now. Uh, I guess Powell's on in an hour, not right now. Yahoo Finance or CNBC has watch live Fed Chair Jerome Powell, 9 a.m. April 8th. Tesla spiking. Well deserved Tesla, well deserved. The held support. I went in on Tesla at 550. Ooh, give me those prices, man. We're going deep. We're going deep in. Yeah, Powell's on in exactly 1 hour. Man, this is so boring. I just gotta be real. This is so boring, Tesla. You're just like, I mean, Powell, whatnot. Nasdaq not doing anything. Very weird day in the market right now. Ralph, I have over 100 shares of an Apple at 59. Would you ever sell those at 59? I feel like I'm giving you financial advice, man. I wouldn't sell those. Personally, I wouldn't sell them. Apes go deep. Yeah, Tesla bounced off the 5. Let's see if it holds. Is it going to sink under? How are we going to anticipate for Powell? How's Nasdaq? A lot of questions right now. And I don't know what we're doing. Oh, was this a a little bull trap? A fake out breakout at 686? We're back at 684. I'm not convinced this ugly red candle's coming. Oh, that's a lot of patience. Literally, it's like a sniper. Like I said, you're sniper trading. You're just waiting for the perfect timing. No emotions, no FOMO. Just wait. Wait for it to be oversold on the 5. It's not really oversold on the 5. It can keep on selling down to 681, in which I'd possibly hop back in 681. Show at 681. So close. Come on. Mm. Viacom support at 43. I wouldn't necessarily call it support just yet. Bounced off 42. Is that a new low? Nope, the low was 40.99. No, 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 no. All right, here we go. Next leg down, incoming or not? I don't know. Nasdaq is bouncing off these pullbacks. Tesla can easily follow. Let's see. Oh, I just can't wait to get a workout, man. To be an ape, you gotta look like one. Oh, if you guys are gonna be sitting down, trading, looking or whatever at your desk, I highly recommend you make an investment in a good chair. Because man, your back is gonna kill you. It's always a good investment. Your health comes first, man. I'm Harry. Does that count? Daniel, man, always making me laugh. Obviously, yes, the Belfort interview was it was shocking to me at first. Obviously, I guess we were looking for more information, more insights on hedge fund practices, that type of content, but I got thrown off a lot too, and I think it does feel like I do feel Trey got cheated for 10 grand, 100%. And I've taken one of Jordan Belfort's sales courses. One of the things he talks about, man, is you have to control the conversation. You have to lead and control the conversation. And that's exactly what he did yesterday. All right, next leg down, on Tesla. Are we coming on down? We're down under on the 5 EMA. I'm waiting for more extension, possibly down at 681. Let's go, baby. Patience, patience, patience. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, GameStop's pushing. Yes, thank you for bringing it up. I forgot I had Nasdaq pulled up as well. GameStop above EMA one more time on the 5 minute. I believe we're testing EMA. Yes, we are. Key indicators are a reversal. We need a strong push. We need a strong push on GameStop. Man. Man, oh man. Tesla's not coming for us, guys. Unfortunately, Tesla's not coming for us. What's up, Parker? Welcome back. It's not coming down for us. David, yeah, it's just like the AMC GameStop situation. I knew I was missing a ton of opportunities and other not just Tesla, Viacom, all these other stocks, and it's just like the stocks weren't doing anything. AMC wasn't doing anything. GameStop really isn't doing anything. It was just flat 180s, and I'm just like, I want to look at other stocks, and that's where I came from. I came from literally day trading Tesla every single day, looking at the overall market, looking at other opportunities, looking at Alibaba, looking at Walmart. It's just like there's a lot of plays out there, guys. And if you're new here to the markets, the market isn't just composed of GameStop and AMC. There's a ton of other stocks out there. Where's your spacesuit? Forgot you split to the hedgies. Spacesuit's here, man. Spacesuit's here. Like Ford? What's Ford at now? I don't see an opportunity here, man. There isn't really any room for profit either. It's very tight. 43 low, it's at 52. Me no likey. The stonk. Yeah, that's the goal, man. Make money, period. I don't know what other people's goals are, but if it's not here to make money, I don't know what you're here for. Other than watching candles, the community, I don't know. I sold my Visa. I'm here for the WPF pumps. There you go. I think we need one more WPF pump. Alrighty, are you coming for me? This might be the bounce. This might be the bounce. Not the price I wanted. Honestly, I was waiting for 681, and that's the price you have to pay sometimes. You miss the bounce. But of course, always stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. That's it. If my plan was to buy at 681, I'm not gonna buy here at 682. I'm waiting. I would have been starstruck as well. I love Jordan Belfort. The main problem was he thought Jordan was pro GameStop, AMC, but he wasn't. I don't blame him, man. Jordan Belfort has been tweeting about AMC and GameStop. He tweeted a little picture of AMC itself. I believed it too. I don't know I don't know where that conflict or where that came from, you know? Because obviously he did sound very bearish on AMC and GameStop, but he was speaking facts. Yeah, it's the tweets, and Trey brought it up. The tweets. He should have re-brought it up. He should have been like, "Hey, man, I saw you tweet about AMC. Do you have any interest in AMC, or do you just like the movies, or what?" Just be straight up with them. He starts talking about Bitcoin and all this. It didn't make sense. And that's exactly why Kevin, you just nailed you just read my mind too. Jordan Belfort just wants to stay relevant on Twitter. That's another thing that I also came to my mind was that obviously he had a lot of hype behind him about that tweet and about his AMC tweets. And hey man, he seems to me like he is. That might be like a little publicity play, publicity stunt, but it doesn't make sense that he just came on like that on in the interview. It doesn't add up. You guys see this? What do you guys see on Tesla right now? Forming as of now as we speak. That too, Victor. He has a pretty shady past. Do I agree with him for his ethics? No, absolutely not. He obviously stole hundreds of millions of dollars from people. Do not agree with it. Gotta give credit where it's due. He's one hell of a salesman. He's literally the OG salesman. He has a lot of good sales lessons. I don't think he can say some things as well. Descending triangle, absolutely. Just one big old flag too. Is it gonna break above? I don't know. Let's see. Let's wait. Yeah, and he talked about investing in the index. Jordan Belfort said that the ordinary retail investor to just invest in the index, invest in spider, in spider and spy basically. Nothing wrong with that, of course. It's safe, long term. You don't have to stress about intraday price action, volatility, momentum. But I don't know. I don't think that was the answer we were looking for. What's going on, Matt? Welcome back. Thank you for the dono. You don't have to give donos. Tesla's falling. Trey should have hired a publicist to work with him. Interview prep. He could have pressed, but he was respecting the status. Legal teams restricted him. Yeah, I don't know what the legal terms with how it was or how it unfolded, but obviously, I think he wasn't allowed to ask certain questions. That's the way I think. He wasn't allowed to ask certain questions. What's going on, David? Welcome back. I'm feeling amazing today, David. How are you feeling? Feeling amazing, baby. We're trying to scope out this Tesla play. In descending triangle, these patterns do not lie. We're cracking down 681. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Yeah, Powell speaks in 45 minutes. 44. The only thing I like about Jordan Belfort is he gave us a wild and over the top life story, and we got the movie. That's about it. And the sales, he's a really good salesman. And he says in his sales courses that this is like this like this. He speaks about the psychology and how powerful it is. And he's like, just promise me you'll never use it for the wrong reasons, like I did. That's what he says. You jinx Tesla? How? That is coming down? Just got my coffee. Gonna spend my morning with you in the background. Why? Yeah, I appreciate that. It won't be a long morning because I think we're about to end the stream in 30 or maybe in 15 minutes. Tesla's having a healthy pullback. Absolutely. Da, 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 da. Yep, sell me this pen, baby. He's a slam dunker of a salesman. That's how he just got 10,000 for a 40-minute podcast. Yeah, it's insane. 10 racks. Thoughts on naked? It's poo poo. Look at this 1 hour. No, 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 no. 4 hour. Oh gosh, no. Poo poo on a stick. It's a nice pen, it writes. That's exactly from the movie scene, I believe. The Wolf of Wall Street. Can't wait to have 25,000 so I can day trade. The question is, Nathan, do you have a strategy? A proven tested strategy? You know, I don't want to see you blow up, man. Roger, he got terminated with no reasoning behind that. It is true. I was looking at his Twitter right now. He did get banned. Day one, all in Tesla puts. Day two, unemployment line. Man, the shorts they really got burned. We're talking about that one guy, Jim Chanos, right? Jim Chanos, who was shorting Tesla a couple years ago. Oh, it's going to zero, blah blah blah. And he got squeezed, and he doubled down, and he never just said I'm wrong. He still thinks it's coming down. Why is there a set amount to be able to day trade? It's just put in place for to protect new investors to not blow up, basically. That's all it is. It's called the pattern day trading rule. Yeah, Powell speaks in about 40 minutes. Or you can have different brokers, right? You can have three brokers and just split the cash in between them. You have 9 day trades now. You have 9 trades amongst three brokers, three on each. I think we're gonna end it here, guys. Oh, we have Powell on in 40 minutes. Watch how the market reacts. As of now, we didn't really pull the trigger on Tesla. I don't know. I don't want to chase this here. I'm still waiting for Powell. Let's see what happens after. If he brings Tesla on down, potential swing play. Yes, headed into Friday. Today's Thursday, right? And these days are flying by. It's already Thursday. Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of conspiracies about that. It sucks, but it is what it is. I'll be back power hour, of course, guys. Puts on Ralph's sub count. I'll be back power hour, baby. Peace out, guys. I appreciate you guys. Truly do. Peace out.